In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a gradient background in Adobe Photoshop 2026 using the fastest and easiest method possible. This is perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, wallpapers, or any design where you need a clean, modern background in seconds. The best part is, you don't need any advanced skills. If you can click and drag, you can create a professional gradient. Make sure to stick around because I'll also show you how to customize the colors and control the smoothness of the blend. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight in. Step 1 is creating a new document. Go up to the top menu and click on File, then choose New. A new document window will appear. Here you can choose your canvas size. If you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, for example, set the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. Make sure the resolution is set to 72 pixels per inch for digital use, and keep the color mode on RGB. Once you're happy with your settings, click Create. Photoshop will open a blank canvas, and this is where we'll apply our gradient background. Step 2 is selecting the gradient tool. On your keyboard, press G. If the paint bucket tool appears instead, simply right-click on that icon in the toolbar and choose Gradient Tool from the list. The Gradient tool allows you to blend multiple colors smoothly across your canvas, and it's one of the quickest ways to create a modern background. Step 3 is choosing your gradient colors. Look at the top of your screen in the options bar and click on the Gradient Preview strip. This opens the Gradient Editor. Here you'll see preset gradients. If you want something simple, go to the Basics folder and choose Foreground to Background. If you'd like to customize your colors, click on the color stops at the bottom of the gradient slider. Select the first stop to choose your starting color, then select the second stop to choose your ending color. You can create soft pastel blends, bold contrasting colors, or subtle professional tones depending on your project. Once you're happy with the colors, click OK. Step 4 is choosing your gradient style. In the options bar, you'll see different gradient style icons. The first one is linear, which creates a straight fade from one side to the other. This is the most commonly used style. Next is radial, which creates a circular glow effect from the center outward. Then you have angle, reflected, and diamond styles for more creative effects. For most clean background designs, linear or radial works best. Select the style that fits your design. Now for step 5, applying the gradient. Click anywhere on your canvas, hold your mouse button down, and drag across the screen. The direction you drag determines the direction of the gradient. A longer drag creates a smoother, more gradual transition between colors. A shorter drag creates a stronger, more dramatic blend. If you want a perfectly straight gradient line, hold down the Shift key while dragging. Release your mouse, and Photoshop instantly applies the gradient to your background layer. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional gradient background in Adobe Photoshop 2026 in less than a couple of minutes. You can repeat the drag as many times as you like to test different angles and blends until you're completely happy with the result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Let me know in the comments what kind of Photoshop tutorials you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.